Why are human phenotypes so diverse? Have you ever wondered why people come in so many shapes, sizes, and colors? The answer lies in something called phenotypes. Phenotypes are the visible traits we can see, like height, skin color, and even how our bodies respond to diseases. The diversity in human phenotypes is fascinating and comes from a mix of genetic differences and environmental factors. At the core of phenotypes are genes, which are segments of deoxyribonucleic acid. These genes provide the instructions for making proteins that shape our bodies and functions. Each person has a unique set of genes, and this is where the variety begins. Different versions of genes, known as alleles, contribute to this diversity. Genetic variation happens for several reasons. One way is through mutations, which are changes in the DNA sequence. Another is recombination, where genes from both parents mix during reproduction. There is also genetic drift, which refers to random changes in gene frequencies over time. All these processes create a wide range of gene variants in human populations. Natural selection plays a role too. Some gene variants can give advantages in certain environments. For instance, people in areas with high sun exposure may develop darker skin to protect against ultraviolet radiation. On the other hand, some genetic differences are neutral, meaning they do not have a clear positive or negative effect on survival. These variations can persist in a population simply by chance. Interestingly, most genetic variation occurs within local populations rather than between distinct groups. This shows that all humans share a recent common ancestry. The differences we see are often gradual and influenced by many genes, rather than fitting into strict categories. Environmental factors also shape our phenotypes. Things like nutrition, lifestyle choices, and exposure to different pathogens can influence how our genes express themselves. For example, a person's height is not just determined by their genes but also by the nutrition they receive during childhood. When it comes to family genetic testing and hereditary health, understanding this diversity is essential. Genetic testing can reveal specific gene variants that affect traits or disease risks within families. This knowledge can help predict health outcomes and guide personalized health care. While family members may share many genetic traits, individual phenotypes can still vary widely due to a mix of inherited genetic variants and environmental influences. In essence, the diversity of human phenotypes is the result of a dynamic interaction between genetic variation, shaped by evolutionary processes, and environmental factors. This complexity explains the wide range of traits we observe in families and populations around the world.